This is the Design to Parts Show, the largest contract manufacturing show in the area.
Do you use contract manufacturers? Do you want to see what's new in the industry? Or maybe you just need a better supplier?
And if you need plastic parts, come by our booth and see C&K Plastics. Come visit us in booth 114 and we can explore ways to use thermoformed plastic parts for your products. I'll give you instant ideas and solutions.
This is the Design to Parts Show, the region's largest sourcing event, and you are invited with free admission if you register right now.
We do parts this size all the way up to 14 feet. We do 48 inches deep. We do vacuum forming, we do pressure forming, and we do twin sheet forming. But on top of that, we do assembly, we do fabrication, we do fulfillment. Are you struggling to turn your design into a manufacturable product? C&K can help. We've got designers, we've got engineers. We're very innovative. In my opinion, this is better than injection molding because the tooling is much less expensive. So if you're looking for any of these processes or you think you might be looking for a plastic process, C&K may be your answer.